Guys, so we're here in Tayabo, located here, also still in San Jose City, just a smaller province than where we're at. So we are going to be doing a feeding today for the children and less fortunate. We are anticipating about 150 children. However, due to the typhoon that is here now as we speak, we're gonna see the outcome and the turnout, but we do have a bunch of children here getting ready and they're waiting, and we didn't want to let no storm get in the way of loving on some kids. So we're super excited. We get to have Jollibee here today.
Yay! Awesome.
All right,
Yeah.
so we have a lot of kids here now. They're getting really excited. A little thing in this side of the Philippines, Jollibee is a luxury. It's not like one of those things they can easily afford. I'm sure many of these kids who might even be their first time having Jollibee. So we're happy to make some kids happy today.
It's typhoon and everything. They're
Yeah.
still here.
2, 3. Ayan, so maraming salamat sa bawat isa po na narito, and Ernest Almosara.
Good morning, kids! Happy ba kayo ngayon? Finally, makikita niyo si Jollibee. Kasi minsan umikot kami sa bawat lugar.
Magandang umaga po! Good morning! Wow! Isa pang malakas na good morning! 1, 2, 3! Good morning! Wow! Good morning mga kaibigan ko! Wouldn't you think I'm the girl who has everything?
Ayan! Sino dito gusto makita si
Dito tayo, delicious ang tawa.
Jollibee? Naman natin si Jollibee. So, tayo kasabay yung mga session natin. Gusto niyo okay? Yung pinaka-maingay, papahingin namin.
Please sit down.
Ayan, Jollibee, paalam! Magbabalik na kayo, Jollibee!
Sabi na po, kanan. Dito.